Question number 1. Name the forces. Name the force which helps to write by chalk on the blackboard. Right? Quick answer it in the chat box. Yes. Frictional force. By the help of frictional force, we can write by the chalk on the blackboard. Okay. So 3 students have answered. Sneha or Indrila. Okay. Write it down, Ritesh. Sir, we have to write the question. Okay, next you will get that video in our YouTube channel. From that time you can copy it. Okay. So by the help of frictional force, we can write on the board by the help of chalk. Next question. Why it is difficult to move on a wet marble floor? Why it is difficult to move on a wet marble floor? Write down in one sentence. Write down the answer in one sentence. Why it is difficult to move on a wet marble floor? Okay, one answer. Because the friction is less there. Very good. Loss of friction, less of friction. The friction is very low. Annesa, Osmita, because less friction is there. Very good. Less friction. Very good. That is Adri. We see. Okay, Sneha, because it is less. Okay. So it is right answer. Next question. Question number 3. Friction depends on which factors? Friction depends on which factors? Tell me quickly. Friction depends on which factor? Question number 3. Nature of the object and weight of the, yes, it will be better that mass. Okay. Nature of the object, nature of the surface as well as mass of the object. On that 2 factors, friction depends on. Okay. Next question. Name the type of surface that has more irregularities, smooth or rough. Which have more irregularities? There are 2 surfaces, rough surface and smooth surface. In which surface irregularities are more? Yes. Okay, very good. Almost all of you have given the right answer. It's a very easy question. The rough surface has more irregularities. Okay. Next. That is, a jar of a mixture becomes hot when it is run for a few minutes. Why? Listen the question carefully. A jar of a mixture become hot when it is run for few minutes. For which? Okay. Because of fraction. Yes, because of fraction it's become hot. Okay. Because of fraction, friction. As well, actually I am maths teacher. That's why in place of friction I am pronouncing fraction. Okay, right answer. Next, question number 6. Will force of friction come into play when raindrop rolls down a glass window pane? Will force of a friction come into play when a raindrop rolls down the glass window pane? It is yes or no? Yes. Actually, that force acts on the surface of that raindrop and the glass. Okay. Next question. Student, fluid friction is not in your syllabus. Fluid friction is not in your syllabus. Okay. Next question. Explain, I am telling a statement, explain that sentence, give a reason for calling friction as a necessary evil. Why we call friction as a necessary evil? Explain it in one sentence. I think one sentence is enough. Friction is a necessary evil, but it can help us many ways, like work and right. And why it is evil? Why it is evil? Friction is a necessary, and also it can causes damage to many machines. Therefore, it is a necessary. Actually, it is necessary, and also it causes tear and wear. So that's why it is a necessary evil. Okay. Next question. Mention the moment when rolling friction come into play. Mention the moment when rolling friction come into play. Again, I am telling the question. Mention the moment when the rolling friction comes into play. When rolling friction comes into play. When riding of a bicycle. Okay. Okay. Actually, rolling friction comes into play when the body rolls over the surface. Body rolls over the surface. That time rolling friction is acted there. Okay. When the body rolls over the surface. Okay. Got it? Yes, very good, Oindrila. When one body rolls over the surface, the resistance that mentioned rolling friction. Okay, very good. Okay. And next question, as well as the last question to today's class, the pieces of luggage fitted with the roller. Listen it carefully. Explain. You have to explain that statement. Pieces of luggage fitted with the rollers. Why? We know that it's very known matter. Why the rollers are fitted with the piece of luggage? Okay. Just this is okay. 6 to move. Yes, very good. To move it easily, such that a child can pull it. The rollers are fitted so that it can move easily through the surface. Okay, such that one child can pull it. Okay. So students, I have discussed some questions in this class. The next class I also okay students, so some question I have discussed. Next class I also discuss an NCERT question answer. Already you have done. That's why I am asking some question which are not are in part in NCERT question answer. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this type of question. If you enjoy it, then next time again I will discuss some more question, this question. Okay, thank you students, bye.